I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a cinnamon roll quiet book. First, gather your materials. You'll need various shades of felt, like light brown for the roll, darker brown for the swirl, and white for the frosting. Also, have your basic sewing kit ready, including a needle, thread, and fabric scissors. Don't forget to prepare a simple template for your cinnamon roll pieces. Now, let's start assembling. Carefully cut out all your felt pieces according to your template. Take the darker brown felt swirl and position it onto the lighter brown circular base of your cinnamon roll. A tiny dab of fabric glue can be very helpful here to keep everything aligned before you begin stitching. This ensures your design stays neat and tidy. Next, it's time to stitch. Using a matching thread, carefully sew the darker brown swirl onto the lighter brown roll base. A simple running stitch works perfectly for this. Once the swirl is secure, place your white frosting piece on top and stitch it down. For a fun touch, you could even add a few small beads or sequins to represent sprinkles. Finally, attach your completed cinnamon roll to a quiet book page background. Make sure all your stitches are strong and secure, especially around the edges, so it can withstand lots of play. This ensures your quiet book page will last for many adventures. Before you go, remember to check the description below for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice for your car, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.